In previous lecture, we have studied about mechanism of photosynthesis in which we have read light reaction. Light reaction was a photochemical process. Today, we have to study about dark reaction. Dark reaction is another mechanism of photosynthesis which takes place after light reaction. So, dark reaction, it is a thermochemical reaction. Basically, it was discovered by Melvin Calvin. That's why this is called as Calvin cycle. This dark reaction occurs in stroma of chloroplast. Raw material which is utilized in dark reaction are CO2, NADPH2, ATP and various enzymes. These raw material are synthesized in light reaction and it is utilized in dark reaction. So, dark reaction is light independent reaction. It is a light independent reaction. That's why it is called as dark reaction. The product which is formed in dark reaction is glucose. So, there are three basic steps. The first step is carboxylation. Second step is synthesis of glucose. And third step is regeneration of RUBP. In carboxylation process, CO2 is captured by CO2 acceptor like RUBP. It is in C3 plants. While phosphoenol pyruvate in C4 plants. First stable compound of C3 cycle is 3 carbon compound, that is phosphoglyceric acid. That's why it is called as C3 cycle, because the first stable compound is 3 carbon. While in C4 plant it is oxaloacetic acid, that is OAA. Oxaloacetic acid. It is 4 carbon compound. That's why it is called as C4 cycle. In synthesis process, CO2 is assimilated into glucose in the presence of phosphatase and isomerase enzymes. So, when it is occur in cyclic process, the first carbon dioxide acceptor in C3 plant is ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. Here carboxylation occur. That is first step. So 3-phosphoglycerate is formed and CO2 is evolved in atmosphere. This phosphoglycerate is reduced. So the second step is reduction. Here ATP plus NADPH help in reduction process. ATP forms ADP plus inorganic phosphate and NADPH forms NADP plus. So hydrogen is removed. After reduction, triose phosphate is formed. This triose phosphate synthesizes glucose. It converts in sucrose. Then it is stored in the form of starch in plant. So storage material is what? It is starch. There occur regeneration process. That is the third process. Regeneration. This whole cycle completes. This regeneration process occurs with the evolution of ATP. So this is what? This is a carbon cycle. Now there are some factors which affect photosynthesis. First is light. The ultimate source of light is what? It is sunlight. So normally plant utilizes sunlight, but marine algae can perform synthesis even in moonlight. So plant can also perform photosynthesis in the artificial lights. Highest rate of photosynthesis occur in which light? Highest rate of photosynthesis occur in red light and minimum in green light. Very high light intensity can cause reduction in the rate of photosynthesis because chlorophyll molecule gets degenerated. So the second factor is temperature. Optimum range of temperature for photosynthesis is 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. The rate of photosynthesis increases with the rate of temperature increases, but maximum photosynthesis occurs during 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Third factor is carbon dioxide, presence of carbon dioxide. So it is the first limiting factor is 0.03 to 0.1% present in atmosphere. Fourth factor is oxygen. Higher concentration of O2 reduces the rate of photosynthesis. Fifth is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll content is directly proportional to rate of photosynthesis. More chlorophyll, more photosynthesis occur in green plants. So significance is what? Significance of photosynthesis is what? It indulges in the production of food material. So this completes photosynthesis.